In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install WPS Office on your Windows laptop or PC. So for it, just go to your Windows search option, then search for Microsoft Store, and then you need to click here, Microsoft Store. Then it will open this, and here you need to search for WPS Office. Then press enter. And here you can see we have WPS Office all-in-one office suite. So just click on it and then it will take you to this page, and here you can see get button. Just click on get and it will start downloading. And it is around 700 MB, so it will take some time. Right now I will just fast forward the video. And there you can see the download is complete. So right now, if we now just click on open, it will open the WPS Office. Just click here again, continue. And for now, we can just close this. And there you can see. So this is how you can download and install WPS Office on your Windows laptop or PC. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.